Yeah, Harvey Dent. Loud blowing.
Will Deuce Tax.
Liquor pouring.
The super producer.
The ass. I post some liquor for my niggas gone. Then sip a bottle and blow a bone till I'm in my zone. Shit, I don't trust myself, so I ride alone. Snakes slither like Medusa, so a nigga stone. Friends will look you in your eyes and say they down to ride, but put that burner to your head for a couple pies. Real recognize real, then ride your eyes closed. It's not a nigga I'm around, I wouldn't die for. I forever screaming fuck the 5-0. And R.I.P. to Derek on the side note. But back to the topic, all I know is profit. Life a soccer game and I got goals I'm gonna accomplish. I remember sitting in the projects dreaming about getting rich. I'm blowing L, spitting verses to my nigga Chris. Fuck a nigga, fuck a bitch, man, get your money grown. You come in this world by yourself and you die alone. Not a rapper, homie, I'm a preacher. Went from a nerd look to Ferrari features. Vroom. I never had a silver spoon, but everything I spit is off a silver spoon. Yeah, straight heroin flow. Saluting all my real soldiers, fuck these G.I. Joes. I do this for my people grinding for a cent. And just wanna welcome y'all to Harvey Dent. Harvey Dent, Harvey Dent, Harvey Dent, Harvey Dent.
You either die a hero, or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain.
In this life or the next, I just pray for the best. All I want is respect. Let a young nigga live. Blood, sweat, and my blood. I'm not the type to shed tears that said the ad fell off. You can't believe what you hear. This too hard for the intro, but I'm just getting started. Is you niggas retarded? You know my squad go the hardest. They say life is a bitch, but she stay by my side because I never seen the world through a dead man's eyes. I got them walking with caution, cause they talking to bosses. The biggest lessons in life always come from your losses. I can never explain all the hunger and pain, just for fortune and fame, when it don't mean a thing. When you dead in the coffin, you can't see your results. No more balling and flossing, do it mean that you're lost? They say my music is sin, well it's time to repent, but it's poetic justice. I feel like Harvey Dent.